To actually produce the parts, the assemblies, we've got various tools that's available to us. We can start off with the 3D printing, the additive manufacture. We can 3D print component parts, so then we have them in our hand, we can feel them, we can look at them, we can understand, yes, this is what we're thinking, it needs to be changed here or here. This is a quick way of just producing a part. Usually it's not functional for what we will need, so then we will look at machining it, so that it will be machined from metals, plastics, even ceramics. So once we've done the 3D printed part, then we will go into the prototype manufacture, where we will machine that in-house. We will do all that manufacture. We will look after the process from end to end, such that we deliver a finished component, a finished assembly to you that will work out of the box.